Hey everyone, this is Seetaj and today I'm back with another podcast on Brains Ki Baat. Today I'm going to review Mirzapur, which has come out on Amazon Prime Videos on November 16th, and it has been really, really good and everybody is talking about it. It is the talk of the town basically. So yeah, it has been really well, but for me it's like a mixture of gangs of Wasipur and Sacred Games because we have a common actor within it, that is Pankaj Tripathi, who is the main actor of this series, Kaleen Bhaiya. So let's start with it. But firstly, if you want to watch Mirzapur, it's an Amazon Prime Videos. The link is in the description below. Go and check it out. It's kick-ass. So you're going to love it. So yeah, just go and stream it. It's still available and you're going to love it. So yeah, let's start off with it. So Mirzapur is a city in Uttar Pradesh where there is a don called Kaleen Bhaiya, whose actual name is Akhandanand Tripathi. He is the all in all of Mirzapur. His father was Satyanand Tripathi. He was the all in all. He defeated the previous person who was the don of Mirzapur, and then he became the don over there. Kaleen Bhaiya has a business of carpet and guns, homemade guns actually, and which we can call Desi Katta. And the in the business of carpet, he has incorporated the business of Afim or poppy, those drugs and stuff. So yeah, that's how he is earning and he's rich and everything. He has a wife and her name is Beena Tripathi and she is always hungry for sex, and Kaling Bhaiya is not so good on bed, so she has to satisfy her needs with her maid called Raja, and that's how it rolls. And like the series is actually about two brothers, Guddu and Bablu. They were from a very ordinary family. Their father was a lawyer, was a very honest lawyer, precisely. And from there, how did they join Kaleen Bhaiya and how did they come to the underworld and started dealing with drugs, then homemade guns and everything. So that's all about it. And also, Guddu fell in love with Sweetie, who was actually Munna Tripathi's crush. Munna Tripathi, Aka Fulchand Tripathi, who is Kaleen Bhaiya's son, and he is a very notorious fellow. He's always killing people and stuff. He's all over Mirzapur and creating a nuisance, and Kaleen Bhaiya cannot control him. And he has all those bad habits like doing drugs, going to brothels and everything. He has all those bad habits which Kaleen Bhaiya couldn't control. And he had this very loyal friend, Compounder, and you will see his loyalty in the episode. I am not giving any spoilers over here, but if you want spoilers, then don't. Just don't. So it's better you go and watch it. So yeah, uh, Compounder, he's a very loyal friend of Munna, so you can find that there. And in the end, what happens? Like we get to see that Kaleen Bhaiya is actually all in all of Mirzapur and how he stabilizes and consolidates his position, no matter how many obstructions have come. But he remains there as the ultimate person, no matter how many enemies he's having, like Rati Shankar Shukla or the new Inspector Moria or anybody. But he is there standing all over in Mirzapur. Like we can compare Ganesh Gaitonde with him because Ganesh Gaitonde was Sarva Shaktishali, Eklauta Bhagwan. I'm not comparing Sacred Games of and Mirzapur, but yeah, this person, Kaleen Bhaiya, he played by Pankaj Tripathi, is actually the all in all of Mirzapur, and he proves that till the end. And his father, who is now injured and he's on the wheelchair, he cannot walk, he just watches National Geographic and Animal Planet all the day. He also proves himself to be worthy, and Shet to aakhir sher hi hota hai. That's what you get to see over there. I won't talk about who dies in the end because it's kind of tragic, and you will see a lot of character development from Golu's character, from Bablu's character. You can see a lot of development over there, and also if you have watched it already, there are a lot of memes over there all over the internet, so you will get the reference over there. In acting, I will say Divendu Sharma and Pankaj Tripathi, they were really really good, who played Kalin Bhaiya and Munna Bhaiya. They were really good. We can't talk about how good the acting was, especially Munna Bhaiya. He has left a big mark in our hearts. He's amazing. He, whatever he did was really really good. And Pankaj Tripathi was always good, starting from Gangs of Wasipur to Sacred Games. He has always kept his mark, so it was lovely. Although in Sacred Games we didn't see him much, but he was the main person who was operating it. So yeah, let's not get into Sacred Games right now. But yeah, he had a very convincing role over here, and over here as well he's a very cool-headed person who keeps his calm, and he has this very nice and cool image, but under say he's a like from inside he's a very fierce kind of a person and stuff. So that's what we see in this series. And also there is a lot of sex, lot of slangs, lot of raw things which you'll get to see. So yeah, Mirzapur is all about this, but I would say that they wanted to make Gangs of Wasipur and Sacred Games mixture, but they ended up making Mirzapur. So it's like watching it from Netflix and watching it from torrent, the difference anyway. So that's how we can define it like that. I'll rate this series 7.5 out of 10 only because the acting was really good, and the special effects, and the way the Kanpuria, the Uttar Pradesh wala jo the Hindi they were speaking in, that was really really good. And their intonations, starting from the intonations and everything, was on point for everything. So 7.5. And also the comedy moments and everything, and the transformation of character development, the way they showed it, it was really good. And they showed the deep interiors of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, what actually happens over there. So it was actually good. So I'll rate it a 7.5 out of 10. And so yeah, that was my review for Mirzapur. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think about Mirzapur, and can we compare it with Sacred Games or Gangs of Wasipur? Also say that as well in the comments. And we have done Mirzapur episode 1 review, and also we have done reviews on Sacred Games, Comic Stan, Pushpavalli, a lot of reviews on Amazon Prime Videos and Netflix. The links are in the description below, or it's in the channel. Just go and check it out. Also, we have hit 1.6k subscribers. Thanks for all the love you have given us. Thank you so much. It's for you we are here, and it's for you we make the videos. And yeah, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, everywhere. The links are in the description below. Go and follow us up. We are not posting now, but we will soon post everything, so don't worry about it. And yeah, I'll be back with another podcast very very soon. This is Titash signing off from Brains Ki Baat.